Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. Today's video we're going to do something a little different. Had a pretty good mail day, something I'm pretty excited about. Came in the mail, got it off of eBay. It's one of those things I didn't even know I needed, didn't even know it existed. It's diecast related, and well, I thought I'd make a quick video and share it with you. Handle with care. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Can you see it? Have you guessed it yet? Yes, you're right. It's the Schwans truck. I don't know anything about this. The description did not have any really have any good info on it, but yeah, I love this thing. I saw it, had to have it. I checked, there's several listings, and some of them went as high as I think like over $100. I got this for, I don't know, 25 or something, which I thought was a great deal because yeah, I'm learning stuff right now as I go. I don't know what these batteries are for. I guess maybe it makes sounds. Lights. Maybe it lights up. 2 AA's. I think I can scrounge some of those up. The switch here says 102, so maybe there's multiple functions. Yeah, I don't know anything about this other than, I mean, that's just so cool. It's got a year here, 1997, and it says employee edition. So I'm wondering if it was some kind of employee reward, employee appreciation thing. Let's see, made in China, DG Productions Inc. Model number DELTRK, delivery truck 01. It's a GMC. Yeah, this is awesome. So happy with this. I mean, it is extremely detailed, all the way down to whatever that is, not sure. This is in great condition. Could not be happier with this. Yeah, it's a bank. I'm not sure how it opens. There was one listing that said specifically the key was missing. So I think I may have asked this seller if the key was there, and it wasn't. But I'm not seeing how it opens, where that key is from. I don't know if I want to pry on it like this, but yeah, I don't know if that's supposed to come out or if that's just me breaking it. Let's see how it rolls. Awesome. Yeah, and it's I guess it would be a 1/24th scale. Let me put it next to the, that's probably pretty accurate. Yeah, so I'd say 1/24th. Let's see. I guess that's a, I don't know if that's a real model. Top kick. To look that up. It says right there. Free home delivery, pizza, juice, drink, concentrate, fish and seafood specialties, frozen treats, ice cream and finer foods. Free home delivery dial. Very interesting. Have to look that up as well. Yeah, these look like they light up, so I'm kind of going crazy. I don't know how the well, here's the batteries. Let's see. See if this thing's still functioning. I'll see why it wouldn't be. Okay, this is to 1. Cool. It's like the orange, yellow lights, headlights light up. Back. Oh, I gotta turn off all my lights now. All right. Nice. I cannot tell you how excited I am about this. This thing is cool. Now, see, I'm thinking, you kind of see right there, maybe that's a, I kind of see inside of it. It seems like there's just like wiring and stuff. I don't know about this. Yeah, if you can see in there, I don't know if it's going to focus. There's just like wire, you know, to all the lights. So I don't know if it's like made to look like a bank or... Not sure. Obviously won't be using it as a bank, but it's so weird that it doesn't really... If anybody has one of these and they know, let me know for sure. Let's see. Let's work on that. See what the second function is. Were those... Okay. So that's one function, off, next function. So I guess that turns off. Let's see. Does anything up here? No, I guess it's just those, what, like those backup lights or something right there. Cool. Love it. Get the lights turned back on. Wow. So anyway, super happy about this purchase. The tires say General, Amera, and then 550 AS. Amerit? Amera? So yeah. Yeah, you might know that the Schwans home delivery went out of business. They past few years they had changed their name, kind of did a big rebrand to yellow. That says right there, GMC Truck and Top Kick are registered trademarks of GMC Truck Division. So, yeah, I guess that is the model or truck series. Yeah, so they rebranded to yellow, I guess because of the yellow trucks, and which I kind of thought was not the best business move. I'm not a business guy, but you know, we got yellow Schwans and yellow all the way up until they went out of business, which was, I guess, like maybe November, December. And for us, it was just kind of a nostalgic thing. We had always, both myself and my wife, always grew up. The Schwans man always came certain day of the week. Got pizzas and ice cream, and I guess back then it was kind of a treat type of a deal. And so, we didn't. It's not like we needed. I think maybe a lot of older folks utilized it. Maybe it was really actually a good service to have, especially like in the maybe all the way up through the past decade or so. But with the the whole Kroger delivery, Walmart delivery, I kind of they were just out competed. So you can't really blame them. It was probably inevitable, but it's kind of sad to see them go. I think the last day of operation, I had an order delivered. It was kind of a sad thing to see, but yeah, definitely a nostalgic thing. So I don't know how I found out about these. I think I just Googled something, and this happened to, maybe it's in a suggested, but I'm like so absolutely ecstatic for this thing. Like, it might be like my current favorite part of my collection right now. And it's so clean. I'm so happy. So happy it's in good condition. It's not been played with or anything. And I don't even care about finding out about getting the top off. I don't think that comes off. It's just that, if there's a bank hole slot for your coins, you would have to get them out somehow. Oh, it's so detailed. It's so cool. I'm just like looking at it. It's like, love this thing. All right, well, just wanted to share that with you all. Let me know if you got any memories. If you used to get Schwans, leave a comment. Let me know. Let me know if you know anything about this. Maybe you work for Schwans. You knew somebody. They knew something about that employee edition. And yeah, like I said, don't do much of these types of videos. We usually do hunting Hot Wheels videos and other stuff. So, but thanks for joining me, and until next time, have a good one. All right, got some bonus footage for you here. So actually, I was looking into the Schwans company, and it looks like they're actually still in business. And what it was the yellow, or the Schwans home delivery division. That was the one that actually shut down. So like the trucks, the frozen food delivery. So it looks like they are continuing on as like a, I don't know, well, it looks like they have some retail brands, a lot of frozen, obviously all frozen food. I think I know most of these: Red Baron, Tony's, Edwards pies and stuff, Pagoda, kind of like Asian type food, Freshetta, Mrs. Smith's pies. Yeah, so it looks like they're still kicking for sure. I mean, we get Red Baron for the kids all the time. Where was I looking at the history? Maybe, yeah. Yeah, they definitely still know what their roots are and stuff. So, Let's go all the way down the bottom. Yeah, those are pretty cool. Yeah, the founders were Paul and Alma Schwan. Marvin Schwan. Oh, look at old Ford there. That's cool. Yep, so they're still around. They're still around. Just I guess uh, they're just not around as you know what made them who they are. I guess as the home delivery. But there's the Red Baron. That's 79. There's a lot of information here. And this website is you can just Google it, schwanscompany.com. A lot of good info here. So yeah, definitely learned something new today. I was completely wrong about that. I was under the impression that they had completely shut down. So yeah, there we go. All right, see ya.